Are you planning to sell your home in California? Embarking on this journey can seem daunting, but fear not. A systematic approach can make it smoother and more rewarding. The process involves understanding local market conditions, determining your home's value, marketing it effectively, reviewing offers, and finally, navigating through escrow and closing. Each step holds its own significance and requires careful attention. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of each step. Firstly, get a grip on your local market conditions. This is a fundamental step in the home selling process. Let's break it down. Consider the days on the market. How long does it typically take for a home to sell in your area? This can give you a realistic time frame for your sale. Next, look at housing turnover. Are many homes selling in your area? A high turnover could indicate a hot market. Thirdly, consider the absorption rate or the months of supply. This indicates buyer demand. A low absorption rate means houses are selling quickly, which could work in your favor. Also, pay attention to price trends. Are prices moving up or down, and by what percentage month over month? This can help you set a competitive price for your home. Finally, consider the time of year. Some seasons are better for selling than others. Having a clear understanding of your local market conditions sets the stage for a successful sale. Next, determine the value of your home. Now, this isn't as simple as just picking a number that sounds good. There are several factors to consider that can influence your property's value. First up, the condition of your home. Keep in mind, there's value in cleanliness. A well-maintained home can fetch a higher price compared to one that's been neglected. Next, we have comparable homes, or comps. These are homes that have sold within the past 6 months, located in your neighborhood. They should have a similar number of bedrooms and bathrooms, roughly the same square footage, and be around the same age as your home. By comparing your property to these comps, you can get a better idea of its market value. Lastly, consider the type of sale. This refers to the motivation or reason behind the sale of the home, whether it's a standard sale, distressed, probate, and so on. This can also have an impact on the value of your property. These three factors, the condition of your home, comparable sales, and the type of sale, all play a part in determining your home's value. It's not an exact science, but by taking these into account, you can form a more accurate opinion of what your home is worth. Remember, a fair and realistic valuation is key to attracting potential buyers. So take the time to get it right. It's worth it in the long run. Now, let's shift focus to marketing your home. Marketing your home is a lot like launching a product. You need a solid plan, a clear message, and a way to get that message in front of the right people. The first step in this process is networking. Just as businesses use networking to build partnerships and find customers, you can use it to find potential buyers. This can include online social networks, direct mailings, and traditional advertising. The second aspect of marketing is your showing strategy. This involves staging your home to make it presentable, holding open houses, and scheduling appointments for potential buyers to view the property. Staging is all about showcasing your home's best features, while open houses and viewings give buyers an up-close look at what you're offering. Next is your content strategy. This is where you'll decide what kind of photos, videos, and written descriptions you'll use to promote your home. Great photos and videos can make a huge difference in how your home is perceived, and a well-written description can paint a picture that photos and videos can't capture. The final piece of the puzzle is your online strategy. In today's digital world, this is arguably the most important part of marketing your home. You'll need a specific website where you can list your home, along with listing syndicates to spread the word. Social media can also be a powerful tool for getting your home in front of potential buyers. It's important to remember that marketing is not a one-size-fits-all process. What works for one home might not work for another, so it's crucial to tailor your strategy to your home and your market. If you're unsure of where to start, consider hiring a professional to guide you through the process. Remember, the goal of marketing is not just to sell your home, but to sell it for the best possible price. A well-planned marketing strategy can significantly increase your home's visibility and attract more potential buyers. So put in the time and effort to get it right, and you'll be well on your way to a successful sale. A well-planned marketing strategy can significantly increase your home's visibility and attract more potential buyers. Once you've attracted potential buyers, it's time to review the offers. This process is more than just considering the price. You must also evaluate the type of financing. Will it be Federal Housing Administration, Veterans Affairs, or conventional? Each has its own set of conditions and implications. Consider the length of escrow as well. This could be 30 days, 45 days, or possibly longer. This period is crucial as it allows for all necessary checks and inspections to be completed. Speaking of inspections, contingencies and timeframes play a significant role. Does the buyer need to sell their own home or property first? How much time do they need for inspections? Also, take note of who is paying for title, escrow, taxes, transfer fees, and inspections. Lastly, always look for a pre-approval letter from a reputable lender and proof of funds needed to close the deal. A thorough review of all offers helps you make the best decision for your situation. Finally, it's time for escrow and closing. This is when both parties fulfill their respective responsibilities to ensure a successful sale. The buyer, their tasks are to complete all inspections within the agreed-upon time frame, review all reports, records, and disclosures, finalize their loan process, and deposit the necessary funds to close the transaction. On the other hand, the seller, that's you, has a different set of responsibilities. You need to disclose all known facts about your property. You must make the property available for inspections, and you need to provide escrow with your loan payoff information. Lastly, you are required to provide a copy of the notarized deed for transfer. This phase might sound tedious, but it's paramount for the sale. It's all about ensuring everything is above board and transparent. Properly handling escrow and closing ensures a smooth and successful sale. And there you have it, the step-by-step process to selling your home in California. We've explored the importance of understanding local market conditions, determining your home's value, marketing effectively, reviewing offers, and finally, escrow and closing. Each of these steps play a crucial role in ensuring a successful sale. Remember, selling your home can be a complex process, but with careful planning and a systematic approach, you can make it a successful one. Good luck!